Hi guys, so in this video I will show you the exact step-by-step process of how to start mining Verus Coin on the majority of Android devices. Basically your hash rate will depend on your processor, but most Android phones less than 4 years old should have a pretty high hash rate, especially higher-end phones of course. For instance, Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge should still generate you around 0.1 VRSC per day, which is currently only a few cents, but if you are planning to sell near all-time high of 2.5 euros, you will be still able to generate around 90 euros from this 6-year-old phone per year. And if you have better phone, even better for you. So for today's video I will use the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, if I'm right, which should generate you twice the hash rate and twice the earnings of the S7 Edge. So, to start mining Verus Coin, firstly you need to download the Verus mobile wallet. So, go to this site called Verus mobile wallet. This one. And download it. Download Verus mobile. Choose your operating system. We are now using Android. Yeah, scroll down, and download this APK file. If necessary, you can allow installing unknown apps in settings. Just go to settings like this. Go to security, install unknown apps, and allow it here. And also my files here. So basically now you should go to my files and install the Verus mobile wallet. So you need to open the app and follow all the steps to create a wallet. I already created my wallet, but it is really straightforward, so you don't need to worry, guys. And of course, don't forget to store your secret phrase in some secure place, because you can recover your wallet when you lose your phone or something like that, if you have your secret phrase, of course. So after setting up the password and writing down secret phrase, you should see your wallet like this. Yes, you can see your coin balance or USD balance on the top right corner. Now is the time to download the actual miner itself. So head back to Verus webpage, this one, and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Under general, you will see mining and staking. So click it. Yeah, here you can see some data on the hash rate, which is currently 311 gigahashes, which is equivalent to more than 100,000 mobile phones. But we are looking for this, start mining. So choose your mobile, yeah. So now you need to download Verus Miner 9000 APK. So hit download. And download this file. Download. Now go back to my files. And install the Verus Miner 9000. Open the miner app and leave it open. And go back to your Verus mobile wallet, because you will need to copy your and enter it in your perfect. Now you can choose your pool. I'm personally using Luck Pool on my other phones, because Luck Pool has only 1% fees, which is nice. And now, so with this slider on the top, guys, you can adjust your CPU cores. It will really depend on your cooling, or you can just try what works best for you. But for instance, if you have a fan blowing directly on your phones, you can go with all cores. And if not, 6 or 7 cores will be enough for you, I will say. I will also suggest leaving CPU temperature, battery temperature, and cooldown threshold as it is. You can also still just review it later, so I will use it like this. And go to settings. Yes, and here you can see under advanced settings, I will definitely enable pulse mining on battery power. I also suggest it for you if you are planning to leave your phone on the charger all the time, as I am. And I will also allow keep screen on when mining. And now I can hit save. Perfect. So guys, this is it. Voila! Now your phone is ready to start generating some passive income. So I hope this video was helpful, and please, if you like to see more videos about passive income through cryptocurrencies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. I will really appreciate it. And also leave a comment if you are interested in seeing my Verus Coin phone mining farm or some comparison of hash rates and profitability of different phones. Thank you guys, and see you soon.